If you have the Samsung S25 Plus, you're looking for a really nice and strong case. This one is a great way to go. This is the armor box from iBlazon, and check this thing out. So we're going to take this off. It has a protective film on the top, so we'll take that off just like so, and we can peel that off. Very satisfying peel. They make it easy too, and also a spot for the fingerprint, so all the touch and everything still works through there, and the fingerprint scanner works through there, no problem. Beautiful green color, and that also works with MagSafe as well. So if you have any MagSafe accessories, that will work perfect. So nice little futuristic cyberpunk industrial kind of look to it. Great grips on the side, so easy grip, and also on the inside, really nice cushy kind of feel inside, so it's great for your phone. So we'll pop the phone in there. Actually, sorry, gotta put the phone in the film part first. So do it like that. Pops in just like so, and then you're gonna pop that in the case and just kind of go around the edges until it is nice and strong in there. So yep, no problems. It's got all the cutouts for the camera, and yeah, all the cutouts in the back, and also a little tab flap for the USB-C port so that you don't get any dirt in there, and a spot for like a wrist strap or lanyard. Great cutouts for the buttons. And on the back, one of the things that I love is this kickstand right here that has like nice felt to it, so it's going to keep your lenses safe. And yeah, it kind of just closes in perfectly like that. And this can be used as a kickstand to set it up, and if you wanted to watch videos in landscape, you could set it like that, and that works great. So very well protected, and great cushions on the corners. This is the most important part, because when you do drop your phone, one of the weak points is the corner where it can hit and just do damage and crack the screen. This is going to protect that big time. So really great product, highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.